Here, this is a demonstration video of no-code web automation and web scraping tool called Automatio. I'm gonna showcase you and demonstrate here in a few minutes how I'm able to collect the data from this great website and community called Design and News, just for demonstration purpose. So I'm gonna open the Chrome extension, and here we can see the various actions we have. We have input action, click, extract, some action under the toolbox, and paginate action. So I guess each action is self-explanatory, but I'm gonna explain it through the demonstration in the video. So let's say that I want a scenario that I want to search something onto Design and News, and then scrape those data, all these data points like title, votes, comment, author, so on, and then paginate through the other pages. How I will create this bot? Well, really easily, and just minutes, literally. So basically, I'm gonna use this input action to actually, no, I need a click action over here, because I know that the search is behind this click. So basically, first I'm going to use a click action and select this icon, search icon. Over here, we have on this arrow, when I click, it will execute that click action through the browser or Chrome extension. So basically, as you can see, the search popped up. So basically, now I have an input action to use to mark this search field. So input action, select, confirm, and now under the input action option, I have some just few options, and one is to input the data in the search. What kind of data we want? What data we want? For example, let's say user experience. Now I have option to enter it, because some forms or some search fields doesn't have a click button. So we need to proceed with enter key, like we pressed the enter on a keyboard. So that's what the bot do. So basically, I'm gonna select this option as well, and now I can proceed further with that action. The bot will actually input the data we entered and proceed with enter. Look it. And we're going on next step. So now, once we are on the search page and we have a result, we can scrape this result, because this is what we need. So basically, we're gonna use now extract action. So the selection mode is on, as you can see, and I'm gonna select these titles over here. I noticed that this selection over here occurred and I don't want it, so I just gonna click to unselect it. And I guess it's okay. Let's see. It is. So I'm gonna confirm this selection, and now I'm gonna do the same for the date, and then I'm gonna do the same for description. Just gonna confirm, and since I need that URLs, I just gonna clone this title selection, and from the extract option, I'm gonna select give me a link, because I can select if I want to extract a text, link, image URL, or the HTML. So basically, what I can do now, I can rename the labels of these data points, so I know in the dashboard what is what. So this will be a title, and then this will be, let's say, a date. This will be description, and this will be the URL. Right? Now what I want to do is to tell bot to go on the next pages. So, and collect this data from all pages. So how am I going to do that? I'm going to use the paginate action. So I'm going to click over here, and the selection is automatically on, which means that I need to select the next button. Right now, this is a just standard pagination like go next button. And so basically I need to configure the pagination now. So I'm gonna, under the menu, as you can see, we have a number of pages. So we're gonna tell a bot, okay, go 15 pages, collect the data from 15 pages. And then the last step I need to do over here is to tell a bot that he need to collect all this data for all the pages we mentioned here. So how am I gonna do that? And why I'm doing this? I'm doing this just because of the logic. Basically, I'm just gonna drag and drop from here to the first extract action, because this is the process I need to repeat now. How the process is going? We're starting from home page, and then we're taking the action of this button over here, as you can see, and then we put the input, and then we're coming to the search page, and this is the data we want to extract. So now we are repeating and tell him, okay, go repeat this process for every page, and do not repeat, exclude click input action from repeat. Just repeat this. And basically we built a bot. All we need to do right now is to click create, and we can say create and run. It will automatically start scraping. Now the data are sent to the Automatio dashboard, and we can go and find it. Here it are. It's already started, and the data is already there. He's already scraping the data, as you can see, the new page and so on. Here we can see the logs that the bot is doing the work. He's paginating, he's clicking, he's scraping, and it's a very basic right now, but it give us some clue what is happening. So yeah, he's doing the work right now just like that. I'm not sure how long this video is, but you can create bot like this in just a couple of minutes, in 2 minutes, without I needing to explain how to do it like I just did. So yeah, that is it. What else I can show you is he's doing the work right now. I can stop it, and my mouth was dry, sorry. So I can now go back and edit the instance. Even I close this browser over here, what I can do is I can click the edit button, and it will open the starting page, because this is the starting action. It's all by default, it's always there because we need to have a starting page, right? And what we see is all the steps we built. And now maybe I want to change something over there, right? The number of pages, or maybe the input data. Firstly we scrape the user experience post. Let's create, for example, something else like dribble. Let's see what we're gonna get. So I'm just gonna say right now I can just update and run. I will just use update so we can compare the data before it's getting. So right now we have the first post over here. We scrape it under the user experience, and it's describing user experience. If I start again the bot, since we updated with a new keyword to search and scrape, we should see the different post. So let's see what's happening. So in the logs, he's navigating to URL, and we are waiting. It's a little bit slow sometimes because of the proxies, but we can see some action occurred. He's typing in input, and let's see. We are waiting data to be scraped. Maybe he was going too fast, and maybe he got blocked. But we can see he's scraping, paginating. Yeah, we're getting data, and I think this is happening because of the proxy getting slowed. So as you can see, it changed the input action. We have input data. We have new different results. It's a dribble because we are searching for dribble. So yeah, this video maybe become a little bit longer, but hopefully I gave you some insight about Automatio in its current state. So here we have a few more options like to authorize some settings, and then we can export the whole flow so we can debug it and so on. So basically that's it. I'm gonna stop the video now. All the best.